Well, right now, the people are scared to go back to their houses because there are still tremors. And so, right now, they're staying out. They're staying out in open fields. And sometimes it rains. Like last night, they got out and it rained. And when it rains, difficult. So, Louis, they're already outside. They're scared to go back to their houses. So, now that they can't go back to their houses, there's also no food. So, it's what we need now is tents, water, because we don't have water yet, and food supplies.
Sinabi niyo po kanina, Mayor, na nasa rescuing stage pa naman tayo. So marami po tayong areas na nakikitaan pa ng signs of life na alam natin kailangan talagang i-save.
Yes. I think we found most of them already, but we still have, like, for example, in a certain barangay, you'll notice that 20 houses are totally collapsed. Not that many, but the population of about 600 houses, 20 are totally damaged. Then a lot of majority are partially damaged. And so the ones that are totally damaged, sometimes people, this happen at night, and so people will fatigue. So, yeah.
Oo.
If it's collapses or difficult pa.
Kuryente po, Mayor, kamusta?
Ano?
Kuryente, electricity po, kamusta?
Yeah, wala pa. We don't have electricity pa. That's an added pressure there.
Oh, the entire San Remigio, Mayor?
Yes, the entire San Remigio. Not only San Remigio, Buco and several other municipalities, no electricity.
No.
And so, right now, we used to call our people, like our DRMO people, they used to have cell phones. Now, they low battle already.
Yes.
That's difficult. Yeah.
Okay.
Mayor, sorry, panghuli na lang po. Para dun sa mga gustong tumulong, yung sinabi po ninyo, tent, pagkain, tubig, saan po sila pwedeng magpadala?
Right now, I've got a center here at the back of our sports complex. Our sports complex here in San Romeo, this used to be our evacuation center, but a portion of it also collapsed. And we had 5 casualties there. So right now, we're not using the sports complex anymore. So we're using the back of the sports complex because we have a big area at the back, which is still open space. And we're using it as putting tents so people can stay there.